Hey, all of January. I'm uploading every day, unless something comes up. 4 videos and 8 shorts every week. Today's look is inspired by the Lover album cover. Prime your eyelids. I had to use 2 palettes to get all the right colors. Use whatever you have. I started with a sky blue and transitioned it with a little purple to help the pink blend smoothly. I went in with a pink, blending it into the purple and leaving room for the yellow. I went in the inner corner with the yellow, blending it in with pink to make a lighter orange. Felt like I needed more pink. Some of it got lost with the purple and yellow. I went over the blue with a shimmer version for more shine. Then I highlighted the brow bone. Now repeat that on the other eye. What's your favorite songs off Lover? Mine are Death by a Thousand Cuts, Cornelia Street, Cruel Summer, Lover, To All of the Girls You Loved Before. Today I'm using a sticky base to keep my makeup on all day. Concealing my sins, or dark circles, whatever you want to call it. Covering the rest of my face with a thin layer of foundation and Halo Glow. Decided to cream, contour, and highlight today. I love these e.l.f. wands. I also used a cream blush. I like to pat them on so they don't disrupt my base makeup. Blending out with a sponge will lift some of the product, so I patted it on. This highlight is so pretty, even after it's set with powder. Just missed it with setting spray and it's blinding again. Setting all of the cream products to keep them in place. Going over the bronzer, blush, and highlight with my Revolution Fortnite face palette. Melting down the powders. Framing the bottom lash line. Lightly lining my eyes. I wanted black liner, but just a little. I feel like my brow tint is starting to fade, so I'm lightly filling them in today. Using clear brow gel to keep them in place. Finishing the eyes with mascara. I think a fake lash would make any eyeshadow look prettier, but I'm a subtle lash girly and don't have any. Plus, most lash glues have latex, and I don't want my eyelids to blow up lol. Using a lipstick similar to my natural shade. Looking back, I should have used a gloss on top. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.